If you're new to Google Sheets, today I'll show you how to quickly add a formula to make your calculations easier. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple guides. To start, open Google Sheets and either create a new spreadsheet or open one you already have. Once you're inside, click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Now type an equal sign because that tells Google Sheets you are entering a formula. For example, if you want to add numbers, type equals sum and then select the range of cells. If you wanted to add values from A1 through A5, you type equals sum A 1A5. Press enter and just like that, the total appears in your chosen cell. The best part, if you change any of the numbers, Google Sheets automatically updates the result for you. And that's it, you've just learned how to add a formula in Google Sheets. Try experimenting with other functions like average or max to level up your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.